Hi everyone! In this training video, we're going to review how to update your tax forms in Sage Employee Self-Service. To get started, you're going to start by entering your username and password and click Log On. All of our employee forms are in Sage on the left-hand menu bar, all the way at the bottom under My Menus. You're going to click the link for HR Forms. As with all employee-initiated forms, you're going to find the box that says My Actions and click the link that says Start an Action that applies to me. Next, you're going to use the drop-down menu to find the form that you would like to fill out. Listed here are all of the forms that are currently available to employees. Since we're going to do the tax forms, you're going to start by finding the tax form, and then you can update either your federal tax, which is called the W-4, or your state tax. In Maryland, the state tax form is called the MW-507. With all of our forms in Sage Self-Service, you'll see the very first thing that you see are the instructions for the form. Please pay attention to the instructions as it will often give critical information and links that can help you complete the form. After you have read all the instructions, you're going to select an effective date. This is the date that you want the information that is entered in the form to take effect. Please note that the effective date must always be in the future. You cannot create a form with an effective date that's in the past. After you've entered the effective date, you're going to scroll down on the screen to see your personal information. This is the information that HR currently has on file for you. You cannot edit your personal information on your tax form. If you see if there's an error, you should stop this form and complete the personal information change form. Once you've confirmed that your personal information is correct, continue to scroll down the screen to the form instructions. These are the instructions that are written on the paper W-4 form from the federal government. You will see throughout the instructions that there are various links that you can click on to get more information directly from the IRS. Please note that no person in HR can give you personal advice on how to complete this form. If you need help completing your tax form, please consult your financial advisor or someone in HR to get more information on the EAP, which can help you fill out this form. Once you have read all the instructions, continue to scroll down on the form until you see the tax fields section. This is the part where you're going to enter your information for what you would like to happen with your tax withholdings. You will see that there are various drop-downs and empty boxes and additional links to give you more information on what to enter in each of these sections. As with all tax forms, please be sure to read the instructions for each step carefully and only fill out the sections that apply to you. After you have finished steps 1 through 4, you're going to go down to the certification, which is step 5. This is just you signing your name saying that you've completed this form. After you've completed steps 1 through 5, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Here, as a word's different than other forms, you're going to click the button Save Draft and Continue. By selecting Saving Draft and Continue, you'll be taken back to the top of the screen. This is important because you're going to want to re-scroll all the way down to the actual tax withholding certificate. After you save, draft, and continue, you'll see the additional information that you entered in steps 1 through 4 populate on the field, including your electronic signature. After you confirm that the taxes are set up the way you would like, then scroll all the way to the bottom and initiate action. You'll know your form has saved because you will be taken to this summary screen. From here, you can go back to the HR Actions homepage to start another action or log out for the day. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Kimberly or Karen in HR.